Ever feel like your home is under siege? Like tiny, unwelcome? Guests are throwing a never-ending party? You might be battling fleas. These menaces are more than just itchy nuisances. They're tiny vampires with a surprising secret that could spell disaster. Let's explore the shocking world of fleas under the microscope. First, meet the flea. These wingless insects are incredibly small, typically a few millimeters long. But don't underestimate them. Their bodies are flattened, allowing them to easily navigate through fur and feathers, and their powerful legs enable them to jump incredible distances up to 13 inches. Imagine jumping the length of a football field, the flea's equivalent. But the real secret lies in their life cycle. It begins with the adult flea, which, after feeding on blood, lays tiny white eggs. These eggs drop off the host, animal your pet, and scatter throughout your home. They can be found in carpets, bedding, cracks, and furniture. Then comes the larval stage. Flea larvae are worm-like and feed on organic debris, including adult flea feces, which contains undigested blood. The larvae then undergoes several molts before pupating, forming a cocoon. Inside, the larva transforms into an adult flea, which can remain in the cocoon for weeks, even months, waiting for the right conditions to emerge. Warmth, vibrations, and carbon dioxide. This waiting game is the flea's secret weapon, allowing them to survive and ensuring they're ready to pounce when a host is available. So why is this a shocking secret? Because of the flea's resilience and rapid reproduction. A single female can lay dozens of eggs per day, leading to a massive infestation quickly. The eggs and larvae are difficult to eliminate. Fleas can survive without a blood meal. Pupae can remain dormant for months, waiting for the perfect opportunity to hatch. All these factors make flea eradication a challenge. Left unchecked, a flea infestation can spiral out of control. Your pets will suffer from itching, which can lead to skin infections. You and your family will experience bites, which can be irritating. Your home will become a breeding ground, making it an unpleasant and unhealthy environment. But don't despair. Regular vacuuming is crucial, especially in areas where your pets spend time. Wash bedding and pet items frequently. Consider flea treatments recommended by your veterinarian. Professional pest control services can also provide effective solutions. Fleas might be tiny, but they are formidable foes. Understanding their life cycle, adaptability, and rapid reproduction is the first step towards winning. So keep your home clean, your pets healthy, and your eyes open. The shocking secret of fleas is out, and now you can protect your home from these invaders.